Yeah, that's my angry bird. He's my pet. Hello there, I'm James Best and you're watching the Lotto Tube, the only free lottery in the world. Here we pick 3 numbers between 1 to 15. It's up to you guys to guess what they... Hey, where are you going? Hey, get back here! And your first number is 8. Back here. Hey, got you. There. Now stay there. Next time you run away, she'll get it. Dun 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 dun, getting ready to film my video. And your second number is 14. Dun 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 dun, getting ready to film my video. Gotta do some reading first. Gotta do some reading. Ah! Who are you?
Doesn't matter. We need to talk.
Wait, how are you talking without moving your mouth?
Because I'm talking with my mind.
Cool, can I talk to you with my mind?
No! Listen, there's something I want you to do.
What?
I want you to let me win the Lotto Tube.
And your last number is 40. Why don't I remember picking the second number? Alright, so we have our 4 winners, wheel spin winners for this video. We didn't have a Twitter winner. Twitter winner. Okay, try to say that 5 times fast, it's almost impossible. Anyways, so let's start. Oh, one other thing is I have these things to stick on the wheel so you can see which numbers you're going for while the wheel's spinning. Yay! Alright, first one is TTC home. You had 14, 40, and 1. So we're going for 1. And we have, this is a hard one, CAG XXVI, it's XXVI. You had 14, 40, and 28. So we'll be going for 28. I should have put that a little better like that. Alright. Webb's 80. You had 40, 14, and 2. So we're also going for 2. Damn toilets in the background. Alright, this is a hard name. Radegast. Urbata. I don't know. You had 40, 8, and 25. So we're going for 25. Alright, let's spin the wheel. Alright, done dancing. Hey, that actually works. You can see him going around. I'm happy about that. Alright. Still going quite fast. Slow down, wheel, slow down. Alright, passing 2 and 1. And 28 and 25. Is it going to get to 25? No. Is it going to make it to 2? Oh, good God. No. I guess not this time. Maybe next video. Alright, while I say goodbye, RINRJR, you were first in my last video and you asked for number 23, so bam! Going for 23, spin the wheel right now. And I just want to remind you guys, don't need that anymore. Just want to remind you guys that if you're first in my video, you just leave a number, any number you want, and we'll do a free wheel spin. Just like we're doing for RHR blah 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 blah. Anyways, make sure you favorite and like my video, especially favorite especially favorite. And make sure you like it too. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. You have to subscribe. If you don't, you can't win unless you're subscribed. All right, let's see if he wins. Passing 23. I don't think it's going to. Oh, it might. It's still going. No. All right, guys, that's it for the video this time. And I'll see you next week. About time. I had to take a massive dump. Tell me, why the hell should I let you win?
20 bomb birds are outside your windows, ready to launch if you don't cooperate.
You bastard.
Do we have a deal?
Fine. But remember, don't get over 50.